Hi everyone, Kamal here, and I welcome you all to the unboxing and first hands-on impressions of Nokia X2 Dual SIM. We would like to say thanks to Nokia India for sending this device. As you know, Nokia X2 is perhaps the best device ever in the Nokia X range. Nokia X is the range of devices from ex Nokia Microsoft Mobile, which runs on AOSP. So we already have Nokia X, X Plus, and Nokia XL devices. But Nokia X2 is different. It comes with Nokia X OS version 2.0 with improved multitasking, improved UI, and with latest update which had just gone live some time back. So it adds many cool features, and it adds Google services support, live wallpaper support, much better modes for image capturing, etc. So this is very interesting device. Basically, if you compare to even the Lumia range, so we will just unbox it and we'll tell you why it's so interesting. Okay. Okay. So okay. So the device that has been sent to us is black color, black color model. So the device has got a 4.3-inch display. What sets it apart from, or what is the departure from the earlier Nokia X devices, are two buttons here. So one is home and one is back button. On other Nokia X range of devices, you will have the only back button. Here you have the Nokia logo, and it has got even IPFSC front facing camera, which usually is not even available on Lumia 630. So obviously it would not be on Lumia 530, Lumia 525, 525. So this is something for which is one very interesting thing about this device. Another very interesting thing is this flash. So again, you know that Lumia 630, Lumia 520, 525, none of them have got flash. So it has a 5 megapixel autofocus camera with a flash. And third very interesting thing is its design. It has got very good design actually. In fact, it borrows lots of design element from flagships. So if you compare to Lumia 530 or even Lumia 630, I'll recommend, or I'll say that it has got better device in my opinion. So you can see that it has got a speaker here, and here is headphone jack and USB, uh, USB port here. So I mean, if you talk about hardware, this device really looks nice in hand. So this is our first impression of this hardware, and it has got all the Nokia build or Nokia quality. Okay, so now let us try to power it on and see how would it looks like. Okay. So coming to various slots, so it's a dual SIM device. So here are two slots. This is SIM 1 and this is SIM 2 slot, and this is micro SD. So we will not put the SIM now, but we will just try to power it on the device and see how the we will just share our first impression of it. Okay. Here comes the Nokia logo. So another good thing about this device is not only it's very much improved over its predecessors in Nokia X range, as we have said that if you compare even to the Lumia low end range, so it usually, that's my opinion, because if you go through the specs and check it, so usually it gives a very good fight, or very it in some ways is even better than Lumia 630, which is obviously a higher end device if you talk about the range or hierarchy or the product hierarchy, etc. So not only now you can see the design in a better way. So not only the design, but even the different things like this flash, this front facing camera. So these all things kind of give it a, I mean, if you ask me, this makes it not only very interesting, it kind of gives it a, for its price, it gives it a very what we I mean call it as a bang for bucks quotient or ROI. So uh, we will I mean it's an irony that this device has come at a time when Microsoft has already planned to put the development for the development of Nokia X platform and Nokia X devices on hold, and they have also mentioned that upcoming hardware from Nokia X range is already moved to Lumia's. So while we see that this impressive hardware, so maybe there were like even more impressive hardware which were coming in Nokia X range. They might now come with Lumia, come in Lumia range. So that is a good news, or uh, for those who wanted to always have a quality Nokia with Android. So for them that might be a bit of bad news. Okay. So we have now come to the first setup of, okay, and we are back to the home screen. So the concept wise the home screen is not different from the earlier Nokia X range. It has got a fast lane and then it has got the home screen, but uh, I think things vary when we talk about you can see the notification pan is much better now. So we will share more about Nokia X2 in our further videos. So stay tuned. This is the first hands-on impression and unboxing, and hope you have enjoyed it.